Hey, when's the last time you felt truly excited about creating something new? For many of us, the grind of piecing together content, whether it's for social media, YouTube, or work, feels overwhelming. You spend hours editing, trying to make it perfect, only to wonder if this is even good enough. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if you could have cutting-edge AI tools to help you turn your ideas into visually stunning videos effortlessly? Stick with me, because today I'm showing you the 10 best AI video editing tools that are changing the game. Whether you're a total beginner or a pro looking to save time, these tools will revolutionize the way you create content. Oh, and by the way, subscribe to my channel and to my newsletter. Easy AI commissions for more tips on how to master AI tools without the overwhelm. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Before we dive into the tools, let's talk about why they're so powerful. AI video editing is no longer just for professionals, it's for anyone who wants to create faster, smarter, and with less stress. Imagine this, instead of spending hours trimming clips or adding transitions, AI does it for you. It can even suggest music, generate captions, or turn written content into fully produced videos. The best part? These tools are designed for everyone from influencers to marketers to small business owners. The truth is, with AI, the possibilities are endless. And if you're not using these tools yet, you're leaving massive opportunities on the table. Here are the best AI tools for video editing. Alright, let's get into the 10 best AI video editing tools that are completely reshaping the way we create. And don't worry, I've got a special bonus for you at the end to help you get started. 1. Premiere Pro's AI features like scene edit detection and color match make it perfect for polished, professional videos. Whether you're a YouTuber or creating a cinematic masterpiece, this tool ensures your videos stand out. 2. If you're all about style, Final Cut Pro X is your go-to. Its smart audio balancing and motion tracking save you time while ensuring a clean, professional look. 3. Got a blog? Turn it into a video in minutes with Lumen 5. This AI tool automatically suggests visuals and transitions, making it perfect for marketers repurposing content. 4. Runway is basically magic. Need to remove a distracting object? Its in-painting feature fixes it in seconds. It's perfect for short films or creative branded content. 5. InVideo is like having a template wizard. It's beginner-friendly and lets you create stunning social media posts in minutes. No editing experience? No problem. 6. Want to tug at heartstrings? Animoto's AI music sync and storyboards make it easy to create emotional, share-worthy videos. 7. Ed.io is perfect for adding subtitles and voiceovers on the fly. It's cloud-based, so you can edit from anywhere. 8. Collaboration just got a whole lot easier with Capwing. Real-time editing lets teams work together seamlessly. Plus, it's great for creating viral content. 9. InVideo's cloud flexibility is a game-changer for remote creators. Its AI-powered transitions and templates make it perfect for high-quality, fast-paced projects. 10. Synthesia lets you create with AI avatars and multilingual capabilities. Perfect for businesses looking to scale content globally. So, how do you actually use these tools? Here's a simple plan to get started. Are you repurposing content? Try Lumen 5. Need professional-grade editing? Go for Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro X. Uses automated scene transitions, smart color grading, or text-to-video features to save time and elevate quality. Don't be afraid to try different tools. Many have free trials. Test them out and find your favorite. Set a clear plan for turning ideas into finished content, whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. And here's the key: don't overthink it. Start with one video, one tool, and go from there. If all of this sounds exciting but a little overwhelming, I get it. That's why I created my Easy AI Commissions newsletter, to give you the tools, tips, and strategies to master AI video editing without the confusion I went through. The truth is, these tools are just that. Tools. We need a clear plan. It's easy to feel stuck, but with the right guidance, you'll be creating videos that captivate audiences in no time. Subscribe now to learn and how to unlock the real power behind these exclusive tools. Now, before you go, let me share something that will make your life a whole lot easier. I've been working on a program that combines the power of AI tools with a page builder and hosting platform designed specifically for content creators. This tool lets you build lead magnets for your videos, host your content, and capture leads effortlessly, all in one place. When you subscribe to my newsletter, You'll also get access to the Easy AI Starter Kit mini course, where I break down everything you need to know to hit the ground running. And remember, if your video editing process makes you want to throw your laptop out the window, it's time to stop. Let the robots handle the hard stuff. Subscribe to Easy AI Commissions now, and let's turn those video ideas into viral content without the stress. Or at least save your laptop from a tragic end. Subscribe now for the most current insights, and future self will thank you.